Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to your KuCoin. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search KuCoin sign up. Then go to sign up register or go to www.kucoin.com/useenter/sign up. It will then take you to the official website of KuCoin. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address or your phone number. Once you have entered your email address or your phone number, click to create account and claim reward. This is how you can sign up to KuCoin. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.